Good morning. It is February the 24th, 2017. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. No matter what your wife tells you, or girlfriend, you better have something for them on a day like today. Otherwise, there are consequences. Let's start off the day with our customary disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Well, what is the big news for today? Yellen. And there's all sorts of articles out over the weekend and yesterday about the coming battle between Yellen and Trump over the value of the dollar. And so we'll have to see how that shakes out. She's expected to be pretty close to the vest in her testimony. Not going to give away much as to what she thinks is coming. Fed governors have been out there calling for higher interest rates here. Floating those balloons this week and over the weekend, so we'll see what we got. NIFB Small Business Optimism Index, we're looking for 104.05. It came in at 105.9, better than expected. Another indication that sentiment and optimism is high and getting better. Today's biggest news, PPI up 0.3, ex-food and energy up 0.2. And the news focus will be, secondarily PPI, but that comes out first. But the news focus is going to be Yellen's testimony, and that's liable to freeze the market before we get there. Oh, day one, Nancy, I was well trained on that deal. I have to admit, though, I have not always performed as required. Okay, right here we are. We're dealing with B's, and we haven't moved down. And we're here at support. So this 8 to 12 area is pretty good support for the bond. Yellen's testimony maybe a little lower because of the B's. So 9 to 13 will be buy 1. 1 to 5 will be buy 2. On the sell side, 19 to 23. Look for a fairly tight range until Yellen speaks. And again, I don't think Yellen's going to give the market anything to upset it or make it go. The bonds are saying that interest rates are going higher sooner rather than later. It remains to be seen. Well, Trump's first appointee has been taken out by the press on really just not true, not even close to being a crime, but he stepped down to take it. And Trump this is the first one down. Now his opponents smell blood, so who's going to be the next one going? I'm saying it's going to be the Secretary of Labor. 4 Republicans have said they're not going to vote for him, so that would be number 2 to the impair them. And we haven't even gotten to the hard part of what's going on yet. Trump hasn't gotten to the hard part. Freudian slip there. And that's bringing in the changes, the proposed changes that he has. So this is a fight to the death, and the Republicans have to realize that. Trump's getting no help from Congress, either the Senate or the rest of it. The Republican voices are noticeably quiet, but that's the way they've been for the last 10 to 12 years, so nothing has changed there. Again, looking at nothing but B's, and we have a B right here, so maybe a little bit lower, but Yellen's testimony might hold the market. This low volume number at 03 so far is holding, so we're going to have 151.04, 151 even, number 1, 25, 25, 29 by 1. And 17 to 21 buy 2. On the sell side, 8 to 12, number 1. Very, very tight range, 15 to 19, sell 1. And 23 to 27, sell 2. We didn't have much range to work with yesterday. Numbers are coming in. Gold, our 20 to 22 held. We had last night we were looking to buy 20 to 22, and the low was just above 25, so fairly strong market, right where it closed. And we're up and we're out, so 34, 36, sell 1, 39, 41, sell 2. Basically a market number play. 25, 27, buy 1. 20, 22, buy 2. And Yellen's testimony will be the most important. We also have PPI coming out, and that's the precursor. It leads. And if gold may be playing for a bigger number than forecast, it would appear so. Looking at the euro. Come up from the over 9. We were trying to buy 106 evens last night. Did not touch it. Came in at 106.02. We had a 40 to 50 was our number 2 sell, so we'll make 45, 55, sell 1. 70, 75, sell 2. On the buy side, 615, 625, buy 1. 106 even, buy 2. Yellen's testimony will drive this contract too. Can't believe right now, since they went to half-tick increments on the euro, my eye can pick up and read and decipher the scale. It has taken that long to, get at comfort with the new price scaling out there. And I know, slow learner and the rest of it, but it's amazing how long it does take for things to settle and sort themselves out. We got a buyer at 52.75 to 53. We have a seller at 54, and that's where we are right now. So we're right in the middle of the range. So 53.50, 53.75 will be the first band that we should think about selling, but the better sell will be 54, 54, 25. We're trying to trade up right now. If we can't get through 50, we should get a retest of the buck. 53 even, 52.75 buy 1. I think we break 52.75, we're headed to 52, so we'll make 52, 52 and a quarter by 2. Okay, the E-minis off a bit. I still don't have a lot of interest in the short side of the market. Can sell failure to take out 23.29. The breakout basically came at 23.20. and then in the 2310 area. So I think 2315, 2320 is pretty good support, and 2329, 2335 right now is resistance. Self failure to take out and hold 2330. That's a self failure. So you're going to look for a retest up there. And 34 to 36, sell 2. On the buy side, the congestion area is leaning B, might get a little lower, so 20 to 22, buy 1. Have the feeling, though, to get in on the opening, you're going to have to pay 25s. 15 to 17, buy 2. Gonna take a bit to get everything up and posted. Going to get busy on that. Back with you as soon as possible.